1 p.m. 1, actually past 1 na, magtutu na nga yata. I'm supposed to leave, or parang plano ko sana to leave na mga 1 p.m. since hindi pa rin ako naglo-lunch. So, gusto kong mag-lunch na lang doon since pupunta ako sa mall. But, I had a meeting sa class namin. Like, sa group lang naman namin. Since especially na major yung mga class ko ngayon, we have a lot of group activities and kailangan namin mag-meeting, of course. That's what we did for, I think, around 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to a coffee shop. Actually, sa mall. Pero magka-coffee shop ako. Pupunta ako sa SB. I know I'm late in the game, but I want to try the pink drink. Yung very trendy sa ibang bansa. So, I really want to try it. So, pupunta ako doon. Mag-aaral na rin ako because I have a lot of paperwork that I need to accomplish. And ayoko rin muna dito magstay sa bahay kasi feel ko mahihiga lang ako pag nasa bahay ako. So, I'm just preparing, and then maybe later, mga 2 to 2:30, aalis na rin ako. And also, last day na ng Auntie Anne's na promo, which is buy one take one sa mga pretzel nila. So, I want to order din, kasi sayang buy one take one yun. So, yeah, that's my plan for today. I just want to accomplish na rin yung mga paperworks. Anyway, I think this is another college diaries, and second year na ako. Supposedly nga dapat third year na ako. Wait lang mo. Supposedly nga dapat third year na ako, but since I transferred school, pumulit ako ng first year. But that's okay kasi ang dami ko ng na-credit na subject. So, ngayon, very irregular na yung load ko. Hindi na nga ako eligible. Yun lang. That's the only downside because I'm not eligible na to be a Dins lister since 12 units na lang ako out of supposedly 18 units. 4 subject na lang ako, 2 per cycle. But that's okay. At least, medyo less stress na rin ako and I have more time to do different things. So, at least, yun, again, I'm a second year na. If you don't know, my course is BA Communication here in Miriam, and second year na ako, supposedly third year, so I'm very irregular student. I think 2 na lang yung minor na subject ko. So, na-take ko na halos lahat ng minor subject ko, which madami ah. Actually, siguro lagpas 10 to 15. If not 20, yung minor subjects. And then, 2 na lang yung minor subject, and actually sa 4th year na yun. So, mga natitira na lang is yung mga major subject, and also yung mga electives, and yung, of course, yung research, yung thesis, and yung internship. Yeah, I'm actually just enjoying because I have a lot din naman na ginagawa. I want to focus on YouTube. Actually, I really want to explore and expose myself now when it comes to real world. Kaya gusto ko na rin talagang maghanap ng like part-time job. Also YouTube, I really love doing YouTube. I love filming, editing, and creating content in general. So, hindi ko naman minamalda dito ang journey ko sa YouTube. Kasi of course, I want to create quality content pa rin naman. Lalo ako medyo OC kasi ako, medyo meticulous ako and detail-oriented. So, as much as possible, I really want to do the best that I can do in every video. Kasi of course, nasa learning process pa rin naman ako. So, hindi naman like literally na magiging perfect sila. I don't think magiging perfect yung mga video ko. Pero, as much as possible, I want to have a little progress in every video that I'm making. And I want to explore din talaga sa pag-edit. Like, iba-iba yung vibe or style para naman. Hindi ako magsawa din mag-edit. Para hello everyone! So, Nagklase na ako earlier. I think this is the last meeting of our class dito sa subject na to. Nakapag-film na rin ako. That's why nakaayos ako right now. Shopee haul to. And I think by the time you're watching this video, up na siya. This is the Shopee haul for Orange 66PH na brand. So, ayun, I'm really happy na natapos ko na siya kasi earlier talaga inaantok ako kasi late na ako nakatulog last night. Kasi marami nga akong ginawang written works and paperworks and also yun nga may makeup class ako. I think I've recorded some clips last night. So, I'll be sharing to you guys yung makeup class na tinitake ko right now. I'm really happy kasi marami akong natututunan. Kahit sa introduction pa lang, I think nakaka 9 videos na ako sa module 1. Actually, I'm not really planning to be a makeup artist kasi yun yung talagang goal or purpose ng makeup class na yon sa New York City. Parang may certification ka talaga. So that will be a professional makeup artist. Pero ako, I'm not planning to be one actually. I'm not really that fan of putting a lot of makeup. But I think this one is a really good class for me kasi nagpuput pa rin naman ako ng makeup. And also, at least alam ko yung mga basic. And alam ko kung ano yung kung paano i-prep, i-cleanse yung skin. You know, it's really important as well. And actually, you know, my doors is still open naman sa iba't ibang opportunities. So maybe if na-enjoy ko to, why not pursue it in the future, right? Pero for now, you know, I'm just really exploring and I'm just really open when it comes to these opportunities. Kasi of course, I get to learn with these kinds of classes. And also, yun nga, it's one way for me rin to learn and to grow. So, yeah, I'm really happy. Hello. I'm still waiting for my group mates. Nasa Google Meet ako ngayon. So yeah, while waiting, I'm transferring my clips for my Shopee haul and then sa mga iba't ibang vlogs ko sa hard drive ko. This one. Para magkaroon na uli ng storage yung phone ko kasi dito rin ako nagvo-vlog. So all in one to. So yun, it's kind of crazy how I'm having more responsibilities now compared to when I'm in my first year. Especially yung first year. Kasi technically, I'm third year na sa college eh. So, yun, parang dati, I have a lot of spare time talaga. And then, right now, it's kind of hard to juggle things. Kasi nga, I have org and also YouTube. Especially now na may mga brands na, may mga deadlines na for the collaboration. So, medyo mas overwhelming siya. Kasi of course, meron na siyang due date. And also, yun nga, meron na rin akong ginagawa for part-time. Like, I have a part-time work. Although it's for my family business, pero it's taking time as well. So, it's kind of hard juggling things and, you know, managing and balancing things out. But I'm still thankful, of course, because I get to do what I love. Hello everyone! Good morning! So, before ako mag-straighten ng hair, kasi sa-straighten ko yung hair ko later, I just want to talk to you guys about something, and this something is the Online Makeup Academy or the makeup class that I'm taking. If this is your first time hearing about them, they're an award-winning makeup school based in New York City. So if you're an aspiring makeup artist or hairstylist, then this class is really perfect for you kasi since they focuses on professional education in the beauty industry. Actually, even if you just want to learn more about hair and makeup, this will really help you. Kasi ako, in my case, it's makeup. And to be honest, I'm not really familiar with makeup, like doing makeup. Kaya ko lang talaga yung basic. And I'm not even really sure if tama ba yung ginagawa ko sa mga basic makeups kong ginagawa. So, this really helps me. And actually, really am interested too to learn the proper techniques and be more knowledgeable when it comes to applying it. And so this is such a helpful class for me. Yeah, another good thing is that you can complete the course at your own pace and place. So I know a lot of my viewers are students like me. This is such a convenient way for us to learn more and have a breather na rin sa academics kasi diba sometimes sobrang overwhelming na yung schoolworks, and for me, ito yung naging breather ko whenever I want to do something na matutulungan din ako, but at the same time, I'll be having fun and I'll enjoy it. Yeah, especially if you love makeup nga, because you can take this class and finish this course at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. So, wala naman tong time limit kung kailan, and wala kang like specific class hours or schedule na kailangang sundin dito. So, pre-recorded tong mga klase na to. You have a lot of freedom kung kailan mo siya magagawa. Unlimited lifetime access din to with all the future updates included. So, you won't feel any pressure to finish it agad-agad. And you can also review it for your future needs. Like, for instance, if may nakalimutan kang lesson or gusto mong balikan yung mga past or previous lessons mo, then you can freely replay the videos and reread the lectures again. If you completed the course fully, you will be able to receive a certificate as well. It's the OMCA or OMACA approved professional certificate. So you can of course include it to your credentials and all those kinds of stuff. Actually ako myself, I haven't finished the course yet. Nakakailang module pa lang ako since, as I've said earlier, I had a busy schedule because of my classes, and mostly kasi my classes are major subjects na, so I really need to focus on that. But whenever I have the free time, I'm doing this makeup class. Plus, I get to learn such important things pa to apply my makeup better and to take care of my skin as well. So in this class that I'm taking right now, which is the Master Makeup Artist Program, the course curriculum started with a more basic things pa since I'm just a beginner, as I've said earlier. But if you have a prior knowledge na, then you can also take their other class because they also have it in a more advanced class. They also have a pro styling course and many more actually. So, pwede kayong mamili doon. I think it consists of 8 modules if I'm not mistaken dun sa course na tinake ko. And they have numerous videos doon with certain topic. Minsan, it's just a minute video, so sobrang saglit lang niya. But sometimes, they do have a more longer videos as well. Like, I think around 30 to 45 minutes. So, it really depends on the topic. Of course, you can pause it naman anytime if may kailangan kang gawin or if na-information overload ka na, pwede mo namang ituloy yun sa other time. They also have quizzes you need to take at the end of every modules to ensure that you really understand the lesson. Meron din silang added lectures. They also have bonus modules. So, sulit talaga yung pag-enroll mo dito actually. Kasi matututo ka talaga. And they will really guide you from the makeups, tools, and other things that you need to have in your makeup kit, and even tips so you'll know how to set your goals. And I actually really love that session because it's really inspiring to hear the professional na telling their advices based on their real and personal experiences. They also have lessons like the purpose of each brushes, professionalism in front of your clients, the color theory, which is really important sa makeup. Nun ko lang din siya nalaman. And then how to know your undertone, your skin types, everything talaga. And yun, after nun, syempre of course, they will start sa mga basic things and then they will gradually go to a more in-depth lesson like for smoky eyes, for eyeshadows, you know. Before kasi hindi talaga nagmamatch yung shade ng concealer ko sa akin kasi hindi ko naman alam na meron palang olive, warm, cool tone, whatsoever. And then, I'm not prepping my skin or face correctly. Like, it really depends if you have oily, dry, or combinational skin, if you have a mature skin. So, iba-iba pala yung pagpe-prep ng skin. So, it really helps me para mas maganda yung lapat ng makeup sa akin. And also, you can send sa email ng mga teachers mo yung work mo so they can give their honest and professional feedbacks and advices sa work mo, which is really helpful and important kasi of course, sila talaga yung makakapag-judge naman if okay na ba yung work mo, if you know you're having your progress, at least magbibigay nila yung feedbacks na kailangan mo every time you're doing your work. They also have webinars every now and then. You just need to go to their website kasi nandun lahat nakalagay yung schedule ng mga webinars nila. So if you like to do live classes, meron sila doon with certain topics. Pag nag-enroll ka kasi doon, pre-recorded yung mga videos na papanoorin mo. But yeah, if you really like live classes, you have the option to join as well. So yeah, that's about it actually. I just want to give you guys a glimpse on what I've been doing on my makeup classes so far. And if you guys, again, if you're interested to enroll and to sign up with this makeup class as well, samahan nyo ako, join me because hindi pa rin naman ako tapos. You can visit their website. Again, the link is down below. And of course, you can also use my coupon code. It's Denise Cal-Ortiz, $100 off all caps or all capital letters for $100 off. Super laking tipid na nun, guys, and I swear it's super worth it to sign up. Super daming learnings or lesson mong matututunan that you can both use for your everyday and professional setup if you're planning to be a makeup artist in the future. Then after that, if you signed up, if you enrolled, then you can access the course curriculum na forever. So again, thank you so much Online Makeup Academy for collaborating with me on this video and for giving me the opportunity to take your classes. It's 9:50, magte-10 o'clock na. I'll just finish my hair and pipili na rin ako ng outfit, and then later on, naalis na rin kami. I'll just end it here for now, but thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully mag-sign in and mag-enroll na rin kayo sa makeup class. I'll see you again on my next coming vlogs. I have a lot of coming vlogs that I'm editing right now. So, yeah, I just need a little time kasi it's time-consuming pala to edit. 4 months in pa lang kasi ako sa YouTube. So, ngayon ko pa lang nini-realize na ang tagal rin pala mag-edit. But, wait nyo lang ako, guys. Just make sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified every time I'll post another video. But, yeah, I'll see you again on my next vlog. Do not forget to take a day off and I'll see you guys in a bit.